G-Squad, what's happening with y'all? Baby Tall Guy in the flesh, back with another legendary video with the legendary merch, y'all. www.tallguycarvings.com. Go get your merch ASAP. And I do got the Spider-Man motherfuckers on, man, in case you was wondering. And I am in D.C. Shout out to all my people out here in D.C. And yes, I'm saying Intercontinental. And yes, I got the room service, man, with the salmon, the steak, and the salad, and all that good stuff. Let me go ahead and put some of that good dressing on there, man, because, you know, I ain't got my meal prep out here, y'all. So, you know, I got to make it do what it do as best as I can do. So let's go ahead and just spread it. I didn't even taste it, but just since I'm staying in the Continental, I know it got to be good. So let me get it all the way drenched up, man. Black boy, I need all that extra sauce on that thing. And I'm about to do some real nigga shit. I'm about to take this with me because I got to go. And y'all see the title? You see the thumbnail, man? We are meeting up with TJ to take delivery of Aston Martin and a brand new Bentley. Aston Martin Vanquish and a brand new Bentley 2020. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get it going. Here we go. We are here, man. Time to meet up my guy, TJ. This is about to be pretty legendary. Now, we are here at the Aston Martin dealership. My bad, y'all. I don't know what the hell. Somebody text me. Somebody always texts me and calls me as soon as I roll up to some shit. But anyway, man, let's go in here and let's get this new whip, man. My dog TJ went crazy with the Aston Martin and the Bentleys. What's up, brody? You a crazy man. What's happening with your champagne? How you feeling, man? You having a good day?
Good to see you, man.
Hey, what's happening with you, baby? How you feeling? Nice to meet you as well, man. Likewise.
He sells with all my Aston Martins.
Okay. I see the tire, brother. Mine's better, brother. You see mine. You know what I'm talking about? You got the dry. I got the drippity drip. You know what I'm talking about? How you doing, Jay? Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Hey, Jay.
Yeah, I heard a lot about you.
Tell me what you like about this.
Damn, it was your
Oh
legendary.
my goodness, the
Damn. With the lights too. I see the whole ambience and everything up in there now. Let me get over on this side, man. I got to see everything. With the quilt, that says Charmin quilt right there. Charmin tissue.
heated.
I see you though. How you feeling?
Oh man, I feel good. One bass lets you feel it in your seats, okay? One bass lets the surround sound of the bass, and the third bass is when you really put that joker.
You go crazy with it. Okay.
You go crazy with it.
Okay. Look at her. Yeah, she ain't playing. Yeah, you got the right whip for it though. No question with the Bentley on the feet. Yeah, you ain't playing. Copyright. I'm out of there. You know how to switch the dashboard? Oh. That's called the Bagman feature right there. What can you say to me? My steering wheel just stay 80 degrees at all times. Yeah. That just cause it can be.
Heated. You see, said the armrest is heated.
Oh my goodness.
So this armrest right here is heated?
Yeah. The armrest is heated.
Hey brother, I got Hellcat, brother.
You can just heat it where it just heat the booty.
Oh man, heat the buttocks. get her warmed up before she even get home, fellas. You know what I'm talking about? But hey, baby, sit on that seat warm up, man. That thing primed up, no foreplay.
Knows how much women appreciate really focusing on the booty.
Yeah.
For the heated seats. Because sometimes the booty needs a little bit more.
You want to hear that, don't you? Look, he look like he can't wait to hear that. Look, you tell him, girl. Look.
That's a special feature. Booty to get before I get to the club.
This is the 2020 if I ain't mistaken, right?
2020.
Oh, damn. You the first one with that 2020, Jay. How you feeling?
First lady to buy the 2020 from me.
Call her the first lady.
First woman to buy the 2020 from me.
Damn.
Yeah.
That's top of the mook, TJ. Top of the mook, brother. They about to pull that thing out now, y'all. 2020 Bentley, man. Top of the mook, baby. TJ ain't playing. He the top of the mook type of individual, so it's only right he went with full top of the mook. I ain't gonna lie, I like this one right here too. That DB11, I like that. It's really just the brake calipers. I like that fluorescent color. No, that one's nice, but like I don't, you know, I like the colors. Bright colors for me is just it triggers me. Yeah, I like that. Where that? Oh, on that side? Oh, I noticed that as soon as I came in. That's my type of swag, my type of drip right there. He know it too. I didn't even notice the back third brake light up there either. That's hard. Big crispy, man. Oh, this Ferrari right here, that's your Ferrari, Jay? So you got this and you acting that dumb. Oh, hey, give me one. That's what I'm talking about, yo. I gotta get my woman on that type of time with the whips. I gotta wait till I get my back up like TJ though. You know what I'm saying? That's really cool. Yeah, I like it. Yeah, it's a Rory. I'm gonna give everything respect now. When I buy it, There's two different things. You know what I'm saying? That different. No, it's cool. And this is the one that got all-wheel drive too, right? See, so in Minnesota that would matter. But now that I live in LA.
It's the ride that you know, it's the practical ride.
There you go, bro. That's what I said. When I was in Minnesota, I did it. But I ain't doing it in LA. Did I drive one of these? I can't remember or not. I know for sure I did a video of one of these on my channel. Yeah, a while ago. I see like that blue right there, Jay. That's the good blue.
That's you.
That's me. But minus those rims. I'll get black rims. That's me. I need all the drip. I need all the extras. Like that orange. That. See, but you can't go too crazy. You can't go like that Porsche right there. Cause that Porsche, that's type girl color right there. Yeah, but it's nice. It's nice. It's a little feminine though. I need a little bit more masculine. You know what I'm talking about? That is hard though. I ain't gonna lie. And you went crazy with the interior.
Daily driver.
Oh, that's just your daily. Just on. You here to talk to? That's my daily.
Daily driver.
You smoked them. What year is that Roy? 16, 15?
No, 2019.
That one?
Yeah, it's brand new. I was
For
a
real?
driver, yeah.
I didn't even know they made those in the newest body.
So Todd put the black rims and he changed out the black fender vents. We put yellow calipers. So he tried to put a little something on it and it worked out.
Okay, Todd.
He put a little
Got a little drip in the blood, huh? Okay, champion. So that motherfucker was big goddamn dry mouth before you put your touches on it, huh? Yeah, big cotton mouth before he put his thug thistle on that thing. You gotta put your signature on that. You know what I'm talking about?
The daily drive because it's all-wheel drive. So we get snow up here.
And see, and that's what I told him. I'm from Minnesota, so that would matter a lot in Minnesota. You know what I'm saying? But here, is this all-wheel drive?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, so I count. Yeah, if you're anywhere other than LA, you gotta worry about practicality all-wheel drive, or you could just be tsunami bagged up.
That's me from the side.
The Aston?
The black one?
Oh yeah, that's hard.
me from the
Okay, I thought you were talking about the Grandpa Gray joint at first.
No.
Yeah, that one, that black, that's nice. The Aston Martins, man, like they got some dope ones, but that type of little grandpa to me.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? No disrespect, TJ. I know you an Aston Martin man.
Your mind. You gotta change your mind, bro.
They gotta be something like, you know what I mean?
You gotta change
What do
your
you think
mind.
of yours?
I don't know.
You seen Todd?
It's, you know what? A Vanquish is different. You know what I'm saying? So I said some Aston Martins.
Okay.
A Vanquish, that one, even though like they ain't did a lot to it crazy in like big years, it's still a Vanquish. You know what I'm saying? You know what I always think of in a Vanquish? This one is. This whole car is carbon fiber.
Yeah.
It's just not exposed carbon fiber,
Right.
It's exposed on the top,
Just the
but it's
top.
not exposed.
but the whole car is carbon fiber.
But he not flashy, so he just put it in the
Yeah, he big conservative black man. See, I need, you know what I'm saying? He on that white man type of time. You know, I need for to give me the whole car. My thing gotta look like a Kino Seg. You know what I'm saying? Well, but he did go. He went full nigga them on the interior though. Yeah, he ain't play. Yeah. That's what I'm talking about, bro. That boy, he killed it on the interior though. Now I'll try this though. We just gotta put a wrap on it or something. You know what I'm saying?
Look at the top.
Okay. Okay, yeah. With the Alcantara? No, hey. No, this is full goddamn Goldie on the inside, brother. I like this now.
But you know what?
That's
It's
my
so,
type.
So custom. Todd went to oversee. He has his name. How many people got their name? He
Oh.
wrote. That's his signature. He wrote his name in it.
Hey, that what you do when you got the bag, Jay.
He went over
You know
there and
what I'm
wrote his name in it.
He went over there and just said, let me just,
Yeah.
yeah, brother, hey.
Hand built it in.
Hand built.
Hand built.
He went
Let me see,
and
let me
signed it.
zoom in on that for y'all. Let's see y'all get a full understanding. Let me get that bam. Look at there you go.
It's in there.
Nah, that's the
That's my
Vanquish.
signature right there.
And the Vanquish is usually around at least 400,000 before you do anything to it. It's just about right. So let's get a full understanding. You know what I mean? Like, no question, brother. That interior killed it. Even this paint is nice. I don't like gray, but you've been showing me a lot of great cars and silver cars. That's a nice silver. This is a nice gray. I think I'm starting to warm up to gray.
Yeah.
And I see the carbon fiber on the diffuser back there. Look at the sparkles in that joint. Nah. Yeah, you might, hey brother, you might get me on that side. You know what I'm talking about? I got to see, man. You know what I'm talking about? I got to drive one. I ain't never drove a Vanquish though.
We're gonna drive it today. That's what we're gonna do.
Word.
We're gonna drive back.
And you know Jasmine's coming out here now. So,
There you go.
you know what I'm saying? Like, you know I got to pull up at the airport and shit like this, brother. And something, either this or the Performante.
Performante, drive this today, drive the Performante tomorrow.
God damn, that's a rich nigga shit, man. Look at the carbon fiber. Damn. This joint is dummy.
Look, the whole thing is carbon fiber.
What? So wait, tell me this. Is it an option? Look at Jay going crazy. Look at Jay, what you gonna do? Tell him the words again, what you say?
I can drive What to drive, nigga? What to drive? What to drive today?
Hey, I like your style, Jay. You going crazy. She said, which one today? Which one today? Oh, damn, she going crazy, man. Listen, man. Hey, TJ, one question, bro. Was it an option to get, like, you see how, like, all this is carbon fiber? Obviously, the whole car is, like you said, right?
Yeah.
But was it an option to get the whole car exposed carbon fiber?
I've never seen anybody do that.
But is it an option that Aston Martin lets you do?
Nah, it would be an option.
It would be.
Exposed.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay, because you know what I'm talking about, like how they be doing on the Kino section. I would see, like, if the whole car's carbon fiber, why wouldn't they make it an option to?
You could probably.
Yeah. Right. Would you do it if you could? No. Would you do it on any car if you could?
Well, a concept is different.
Okay.
That's a $3.5 million car.
That's true.
Yeah. And they're going to be selling that.
Oh, y'all is? Okay, which one? Yeah, which one though?
Let me see.
They got a 4-door coming out?
Look at this guy.
Like 20 seconds or some shit.
What? When I supposed to be dropping? God damn, I go.
I was at the right place and heard it at the right time.
What they saying the car's gonna be? Did you hear that?
Right around $1 million.
Oh damn, that's it?
They're going to make a car for $1 million?
See what I'm saying? 4-door, he said. 4-door. But man, come on, bro. They gonna smoke the earth with that. Bro, you know people gotta think about practicality, brother. Some people got families, brother, where you got family, but you can take like 10 Ferraris. And some people got 2 cars or something. You know what I'm saying? They gotta have a family whip and then the mom and dad in the front car or something, you know, with the older sibling driving. You know what I mean? This is crazy though. Top level, man.
Yeah, so I went to the factory twice to oversee this. I went to the factory to have them to spec it out, and then I went to the factory to have it delivered and watch it on in production. And so the guy that actually designed this car, the Aston Martin chief designer of all their cars, actually signed my car and helped me spec it out.
What?
So
This is a V12, y'all, for those who don't understand and don't know, as much as I don't know.
So most people say it says inspected by, this says created by VP and Chief Creative Officer.
So that's somebody. Somebody created
That's
this.
the dude.
That's the somebody.
That's the somebody.
Yeah, that's the guy.
Yes, he's the chief designer of all of Aston Martin.
Damn.
So he
crazy.
created this shit. So most of the time when people get their car, you go open one of these, that ain't what that shit says.
Right. So you pay all that extra money just to get that little extra giblet.
Just get that extra shit.
Hey, bro. God damn, TJ the man, y'all. Full carbon fiber acid, man. What more can you ask for? That's the one. 2020, you said Vanquish.
2022.
2022.
2022.
Damn, you gonna get that, Jay? You might as well get that, and that. And then have TJ pay for it. You know what I'm saying? Damn. I like that. Is that gonna be the brake light, right?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, that joint's stupid. Is it gonna be a drop top? It look like
they'll make a roadster version of it. Yeah.
that joint ridiculous.
The old man car and shit. The granddad car.
The Aston. Oh, I'm about to blow the mook out this thing, Jay. You already know when I got full nigga them interior? Oh, this is game over.
Somebody move that seat.
Oh yeah, no, you know that's mandatory. I like this red interior though, bro. You smoked it, man. I got the red on the mook, man. Damn. I'm looking like a big blood member in this whip. You know what I'm saying? Big shit night. My guy Todd, man. What's that? Oh, this is one. Let me show you how this works, man. So what you do is you want to warm the puss up. You want to put the finger in there, play with it a little bit. You know what I'm saying? Stick your finger in there, get it a little juicy first. Make sure everything's right. Feel for that back mook. Get a little temperature. Then you put that thing in there. And then you gonna just hear just like, you hear her gasping yet? Oh, hold on, I gotta put my foot on the brake. I'm embarrassed. See, that's a little misfire, fellas, misfire.
Yeah, let it go. All right, now do it.
Okay, okay, hold on now, brother. You gotta, cause this is a foreign pussy. I got to know how to, you know what I'm saying? How you, my woman black. You know what I'm saying? You know, I dabbled in foreigns before though. All right, here we go. Ooh, that thing sounds good. Yeah, I like it.
That's right there.
They put you in the sport mode.
Gotta be there, yeah.
Okay, now tell me this, bro. Now this is why I say Aston Martin Finagles.
Yeah.
Now hear me good on this,
Finagles?
because I'm gonna say
What the fuck? Finagle?
Aston
Martin.
Listen,
Finagle.
I'm gonna tell you what.
Look at that roof. Hey, look. It's in handmade.
I can't. I can't help it, brother. It's the Detroit brain, Cardinal brain.
Okay.
Listen, and I'm being real. Why don't you got a full digital dash in a Vanquish? It's more expensive than a DB11.
Bro, look.
Put the camera on you because I want them to see your face now while I ask my finagle with this.
Okay, look. This is like a British muscle car.
Okay.
Right? So it's, you know, it's analog. It ain't that, you know, new shit. It ain't that. It's just classic analog, handmade,
Shape going off in the Bentley.
good shit. You know what I'm saying?
Yep.
It's just different shit.
Yeah.
You know, but it ain't what you thinking about, right? You think about some Nissan or some shit.
Okay.
You know?
but
all the digital
why?
display
Okay,
and
so
shit.
why is the DB11 better on the inside?
Well, DB11 is a new generation. So this was the last of the old generation.
But still 2018.
Yeah, it was the last one. This was the last one.
But the
And
2019 DB11 costs less than this and don't look as good as this on the interior.
Well, you know, that's what it is.
Like,
and it doesn't have this crystal key.
It don't got the crystal key.
It don't got a crystal key. It ain't the same shit.
But it got the full digital display.
Yeah.
And it don't got the Game Boy screen.
Yeah, fuck that.
Now listen,
this is the exclusive shit though.
no question.
This is the exclusive shit.
No question.
That other shit is some money.
But is that not type of finagle?
No, it ain't no finagle, man. It's just handcrafted shit.
Well, handcraft me a digital screen to put on the thing.
No, fuck that.
Listen, man. TJ, man, y'all, and I appreciate it, man. I appreciate you letting me be here with this artist too. And then I'm gonna be scooping up Jasmine. Y'all just gotta stay tuned for the videos, man. Make sure y'all subscribe to Love and Slim. Make sure, now stop everything you're doing right now. And make sure y'all follow my dog TJ. Flip that thing right here one time, bam. Follow him on Instagram right now, TJ Millionaire Mentor on Instagram. All right? Because he got all the whips and he's a rich nigga now. You can put it back over his face. I know he don't like being on camera. So listen.
Hate that shit.
I know. He puts glasses back on that quick, man.
What up?
He's the man though, y'all. And even though he don't like being on camera, I'm telling you, if he started a channel, it would bang. Because you got all the cars, you got everything.
Yeah. We gotta catch them motherfuckers though, man.
And, all right, well, let's get, man. Hey, man, tall guy, I'm out. See y'all next video. You want to do the swoop thing, brother? So you got to point at him?
Yep.
And then you know how to do the and you put your hands on the lens?
Like this?
Yep. There you go, yeah. Good job, bro.